Good morning, students. Our today's topic in the topic of circular measure is sector and segment. So this is our today's topic. So concentrate yourself. Important topic this is. So for example, here is a sector. Origin O. Here is A. Here is B. Okay. The arc length is, the first concept is arc length. The arc length is S is equal to R theta. So this is the first concept that is used in the sector. Next, area of the sector. So formula is theta over 360 into pi r square. So this formula will be used when angle in degrees. So this is the formula that will be used when angle is in degrees. But when angle is in radian mod, so we know that 360 is equal to 2 pi. So the formula will be theta over 2 pi into pi r square. All other things are remaining same. Just we have put 360 equal to 2 pi. So this is the formula when angle is in radian mod. So pi will be cancelled by pi. So the formula will become 1 by 2 r square theta. Okay. At the same time, we know that S is equal to r theta. So if we transform this formula into r theta, so r theta is equal to S. So the formula will become 1 by 2 r s. So actually here are three formulas of the area of sector. One is this one, when the angle will be in degree mod. The second formula is this one, when the angle will be in radian mod. And here is another formula of the area of the sector, when arc length and radius will be given. Okay, proceeding further. So look now, if we join A and B, this shaded part will become segment. Okay, now look, if this is R, this is R, and here is theta angle which is subtended at the origin. So look now, for segment. So now we are reading the concept of segment. So area of segment. Area of segment, that is a shaded part. Okay, look now. That will be actually equal to when we will subtract the area of this triangle from the area of this sector. So the remaining portion will be left shaded part. So it means the area of sector, that is 1 by 2 r square theta, minus area of triangle, OAB. So look now from here, the triangle OAB. So we are actually taking triangle here, that is O, A, B. Here is theta, here is R, here is R. Okay, here is a triangle in which one angle is given at O and two sides are given. This is the side that is missing. Okay, that will be find it out later. The area of the triangle in which two sides are given and the central angle is given. The area of the triangle formula will be 1 by 2 r square theta. 1 by 2 r square into sine of theta. So this 1 by 2 r square theta will remain as it is, minus area of triangle will be 1 by 2 r square sine of internal angle. So this is the formula for triangle. Okay, 1 by 2 r square will be taken as common. Here theta will be left minus sine theta will be left. So this is the formula for the area of the segment. So this is the area of the segment which you have to remember, which you have to learn. And finally the perimeter of the segment. So this is the thing which we are going to find, the area of the perimeter of this segment. So look now, this is the perimeter of this, this is the segment, that is shaded part. So this arc length is r theta because s is equal to r theta. So this is the side which is missing, that is AB. So this is the triangle. So if you look at the triangle, two sides are given and their central angle is given, third side is missing. So here cosine rule will be applied. So if here is A, the opposite side will be small a. Here is B, the opposite side will be small b. Here is O, the opposite side will be small o. So in this triangle, cosine rule will be applied. So look now, the angle given is O. So cos O will be equal to A square plus B square minus O square over 2AB. So this is the cosine rule formula. Now we are going to put the values into it. O angle is theta, so cos theta is equal to A side is R, B side is also R. So R square plus R square minus O side is missing, that is AB side. So AB square over 2AB. A is R and B is R. So R into R will be R square. Okay. From here you can see 2R square cos theta. So 2R square cos theta is equal to R square plus R square will be 2R square minus AB square, because AB side is missing. So we are moving here now. This AB side will come here. So AB square is equal to 2R square minus 2R square cos theta. From here 2R square will be taken as common. Remainder will be 1 minus cos theta. So taking square root of both sides. So AB will be equal to 2r square into 1 minus cos theta whole square root. So this is the formula that will be this is the side AB. Okay, finally, actually we are required the perimeter of the segment. So perimeter of segment will be equal to, this is the side here, and plus r theta will be added. So 2r square into 1 minus cos theta square root plus r theta. So this is the formula for the perimeter of this segment. So you have to remember, you have to learn these formulas before solving the questions. So learn these formulas, and now we are going to solve some questions in this category. Here is a question, students. In sector OAB with center O, radius is given 5 centimeter. The radius is 5 centimeter and the angle AOB is 120 degree. Okay, first part is find the arc length of AB. Okay, here is first part. The arc length AB formula will be used. S is equal to r theta. So radius is 5 and theta will be converted into radian mod. So that will be 120 into pi by 180. So because when we will use this formula, the angle should be in radian mod. So look now, 0 will be cancelled, 6 2s are, 6 3s are, and 5 2s are 10 pi, 10 over 3 pi. So you may use a calculator to solve it. So 10 pi divided by 3. So 10 pi divided by 3. That is 10.5 centimeter. Okay, this is first part done. Okay, the second part is the perimeter of the sector AOB. So perimeter is the requirement. So look now. Perimeter of sector AOB. So the perimeter will be equal to 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus arc length. So look now, 5 plus 5 plus arc length, that is 10.5. So 10 plus 10.5 will be 20.5 centimeters. So this is second part done. Third part, the area of this sector. So third part, area of sector AOB. Formula will be 1 by 2 r square theta. So 1 by 2, r is 5, so 5 square, and theta will be equal to 2 pi by 3. So solve it now. 25 pi by 3. So 25 pi by 3. 26.2 centimeter square. So this was third part. There is fourth part, the area of the shaded segment. So fourth part, area of shaded segment. Okay, that is actually this part. So this will be equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. So look now, area of sector. So this is 26.2 minus area of triangle. So that will be equal to 1 by 2 into r square into sine of internal angle. So solving it on calculator now. So 26.2 minus 25 by 2, that is 12.5 multiplied by sine of 120. So the answer is 10.83. So subtracting them, 26.2 minus 10.83, 15.37, and the unit is centimeter square. Okay, now the fifth part is the perimeter of the shaded segment. So here is the shaded segment. So before finding the perimeter of this shaded segment, because this arc length is here, that is in the first part that we have find out, only the missing thing is AB, the straight line AB. So first we will find the length of AB in this triangle. So look now, I'm taking out this triangle. So here is O, A, B. This is given 5 centimeter. This is given 5 centimeter. And here is 120 degree. So cos rule will be applied in this triangle. So cos 120. But because we are solving circular measure questions, so we have to convert this 120 degree into radian mod. So from here you can see we have converted 120 degree into radian mod, that is equal to 2 pi by 3. So cos 2 pi by 3 is equal. The last thing is the area of the shaded, the perimeter of the shaded segment. So arc length is here that we have find out in the first part. Only thing that is required is the length of the straight line AB. So first we will find the length of the line AB. So we have taken this triangle out from the sector. You can see these two sides are given, one angle is given, and this side of the triangle is missing. So we will use the cosine rule. First, we have to convert this 120 degree into radian mod. So look now, we have converted this 120 degree into radian mod. The answer is 2 pi by 3. So cos 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3 is actually 120 degrees. So cos 2 pi by 3 is equal to this square of this side plus square of this side minus square of this side over 2 times of this side into this side. So this is actually cosine rule. So after solving them, minus 25 will be equal to 50 minus AB square. This AB square will come to the left side and this minus 25 will go to the right side. So after taking square root of both sides, the length of the side AB is 8.66. So this is the side now, that is 8.66. Now we can find the perimeter of the shaded segment. Here is the shaded segment. So the perimeter of the shaded segment will be equal to this length plus this arc. This is 8.66, that is AB, and arc length is 10.5. So after adding them, the answer is this one.